Good afternoon, everyone, especially to our instructor, Ma'am Martin. We are the Group 1. Chapter 3, Organizational Setup of the PNP. For the first page, Introduction. This chapter gives an updated current PNP organization, which will provide the reader with critical information about how a law enforcement agency operates. Specifically, the PNP, its administration and its subcomponents. With the dynamic changes in the PNP's reorganization, it is necessary to update the current law enforcement related data. Functional relationship of the PNP and the NAPOLCOM. First, National Police Commission NAPOLCOM. The National Police Commission is the agency mandated by 1987 Constitution and the Major Police Reform Laws. Republic Act number 6975 and 8551 to administer and control the Philippine National Police. For RA 8551, or PNP Reform and Reorganization Act of 1998, the Commission's authority over the PNP were strengthened and expanded to include the administration of police entrance, examinations, the conduct of pre-charge investigation of police anomalies and irregularities, and summary dismissal of any police officers. Powers and functions. First, exercise administrative control and operational supervision over the Philippine National Police. Second, advises the President on all matters involving police functions and administrations. Third, render to the President and the Congress an annual report on its activity and accomplishments during the 30 days after the end of the calendar year. Fourth, recommends to the President through the Secretary within 60 days before the commencement of each calendar year a crime prevention program. For the last part, perform such other functions necessary to carry out the provisions of RA 6975 as amended, other existing laws, and presidential issuance, and as the President may direct. The mission and vision. Vision. The National Police Commission shall be a competent and responsive overseer of an effective police service. For the vision, to exercise administrative and control and operational supervision over the PNP, with the end view of ensuring a highly capable, effective, and credible police service. Qualifications of the regular commissioners. First, must be citizens of the Philippines. Second, lawyers with at least 5 years experience in handling criminal or human rights cases. And for the third, holders of master's degree in public administration, sociology, criminology, criminal justice, law enforcement, and other related disciplines. Temporary or permanent incapacity of the chairperson. In case of absence due to the temporary incapacity of the chairperson, the vice chair shall serve as chairperson until the chairperson is present or regains capacity to serve.
Rule about a member of the Office Commission may be removed from office for reason. All vacancies in the commission is set through expiration of term shall be filled up for the expired term, provided that a person who shall be appointed in this case shall be eligible for regular appointment for another term. Command Group. The Chief PNP, the Chief as head of the PNP rank as Police General, shall have command supervision and control of all elements thereof. Shall also have the power to issue subpoena and subpoena to case in connection with the investigation of cases. So ang PNP Chief is siya yung pinakamataas na official ng buong kapulisan ng Pilipinas. Siya yung may control sa element ng kapulisan. Kung may example sa operasyon, kung meron lang siyang may gawa na operasyon, siya yung magbibigay ng direction para sa kapulisan. Second is the Deputy Chief PNP for Administration. Is the second command in the rank of Police Lieutenant General shall assist the Chief of PNP in the exercise of responsibilities related to PNP operation, training, intelligence, community affairs, and investigation activities. At ang pangatlo naman is yung the Deputy Chief PNP for operation. They are the third in command with the rank of Police Lieutenant General, shall assist the Chief of the PNP in the exercise of responsibilities related to PNP operation, training, intelligence, community affairs, and investigation activities. So, ang Deputy Chief PNP for operation is siya yung nakatukoy sa kung may operation, siya yung may responsibility para ang operasyon ay maging may atulad na gusto. Kung may utos man ang Chief PNP, siya yung mag-assist sa Chief PNP para ang operasyon ay maging may isagawa ng maayos. Ang pang-apat is yung the Chief of Directoral Staff is the fourth in command. Shall have the rank of Police Lieutenant General. Shall assist the Chief of the PNP in the general coordination and supervision of the various activities or in the directorial staff. Chief PNP Personnel Staff, Inspector General. The Internal Affairs is headed by the Inspector General Luis Villa, appointed by the President and exercise general supervision and control over all the yes offices and personnel notified. While Inspector General is assisted by the Deputy Inspector General who is informed member of the PNP with the rank of Police Major General. The Human Rights Affairs Office. It is under National Resolution 2007 to 247 approving the activation of PNP Human Rights Affairs Office under HQ General Orders DPL 0704. So, pangatlo is yung Center for Police Strategy Management. Under National Resolution number 2012 approving the application of the PNP Program Management Office and the establishment of the Center for Police Strategy Management. The CPSM shall be under the Office of Chief, PNP headed by the Director with the rank of Police Brigadier General and assisted by Deputy Director with the rank of the Police Colonel. Ang Chief, ang Center of Police Strategy is siya yung pagpa-deactivate ng Program Management Office at siya yung patika ng Center of Police Strategy Management. So, ang isang kaunahing gawain ng Center for Police Strategy Management is siya yung gumawa at magsuri ng police strategies, policy at performance measure. At sa rin yung mag-monitor sa program tulad ng patrulan at iba pang pambansang programa ng gawain ng pambansan. So, pangapat is yung Peace Process.
Directorates ng PNP, the Directorates for Research and Development, DDRD. The DRD is responsible in advising the Chief PNP on matters pertaining to research and development activities. Its main function is to come up with specification, test parameters, and other policies involving standard PNP uniform equipment. Under number of resolution number 2019-222, approving the structuring and strengthening of the Directorate for Research and Development, DRD shall perform the following. Function: supervise and control the operation of the PNP Research and Development Center, PNP RDC. Supervise and monitor conservative units in the conduct of test and evaluation on items procured and subject for procurement by the PNP as to its feasibility and acceptability. Directorate the PNP. The Directorate Information Communication Technology Management, PDICTM, handles information dissemination as well as collect information rate sales and produce business intelligence. Further, it is tasked to assist the PNP in integrating and standardizing all major PNP information system and resources to further improve PNP frontline service. Function: manage the radio frequency spectrum allocated to the PNP, coordinates with other government, non-government, and foreign organizations on ICT matters. National Administrative Support Group and ASU. District Support Service, LSS. Republic Act number 6975, Section 35, lead to creation of logistic support service. Which shall be responsible for the procurement, distribution, and management of all the logistic requirements of the PNP, including firearms and ammunition. Information Technology Management Service. The Information and Technology Management Service, ITMS, shall exist as a national administrative support unit of the Philippine National Police to be abreast with the need for application and integration of information technology in the administrative and operation process of the PNP and effectively cope with the challenge of fast development, technology and the management service requirement of fighting cybercrime. B. Information Technology Management Service. The ITMS shall be placed under the functional authority of the Director of Information and Communication Technology Management, DICTM. The ITMS shall be headed by a director with the rank of Police Brigadier General, who shall be assisted by a Deputy Director for Administration with the prescribed rank of Colonel. The ITMS shall maintain its functional staff, namely Administrative and Resources Management Division, System Management Division, Information Technology Support Division, Information System Security Division, Plans and Training Division, and Data Management Division. Finance Service. The PNP Finance Service was PNP activated as a national administrative support unit of the Philippine National Police to effectively carry out its mandate of providing financial service to PNP. The finance service shall be placed under the functional authority of the Director for Controllership. 1. Deputy Chief PNP for Administration has the power to control specified process, practice, and other matter of the finance service. 2. The command group of the PNP-FS shall be composed of the Director with the rank of Police Brigadier General. The Director of the Finance Service shall oversee the implementation of plans and programs to rationalize the financial transaction of the PNP Finance Service.
Next.
Health Service. The PNP Health Service was created to provide health care service to PNP personnel, dependents, and authorized civilians, fulfilling its mandate under Public Act number 697 as amended by Public Act 85-1. Memorandum, circular number DPN 9601 and number from resolution number 96048. Function. The Office of the Director of Health Service is responsible for the overall supervision of activities in the PNP Health Service. Implement and supervise approved plan processes and program formulated by higher headquarters. Scan.
Wala.
The PNP General Hospital shall be held by police official shall retain the prescribed police colonel and shall maintain the three functional staff, namely the medical service division, nursing service division, and hospital administration division in all of which held by POCS which prescribe the rank colonel PNP GO number BPL 17-21. E. Communication and Electronic Services or CBS. Function of this direct to support all operations of the PNP and provide the fixed communication facilities to PNP offices, units and stations. Communication and Electronic Services (CBS). Its objectives are to improve the communication capabilities from higher headquarters down to lower police units. This utilize police on the communication equipment system standards, operations, maintain the maintenance and procurement replacement program to develop responsive organization structure, develop and competent values-oriented innovation and discipline personnel, improve the data sharing, and optimize the implementation and financial and logistic resources. Chaplain Service or CHS. The Chaplain Service as a national administration support unit of the Philippines, national police has mandate of providing religious service to the PNP. Functions: provide spiritual and guidance of counsel for moral growth of the PNP personnel and its dependents. Conduct moral values and police ethical standards training programs in coordination with the PNP Training Service and PNP Human Rights Affairs Office. Legal Service or LS. The PNP Legal Service as National Administrative Support Unit of the PNP Philippines National Police has mandate of providing legal service to the PNP functions. Prosecute case in the proper courts and direct by proper authorities and evidence may warrant in coordination with government prosecutors and or Department of Justice. Render legal options arising from the administration and operation of the PNP. Legal service. The PNP legal service under the authority of the Director of Personnel and Records and Management. Agent and Quarter Support Service or HSS. The Quarter Support Service or ASS has mandate to provide general housekeeping and security service and shall be placed under the functional authority of the Director of the District. The HSS shall maintain the five functional staff division namely. The first one is the Administrative and Resource Management Division. Second is the Intelligence and Investigation Division. And the third, the Operation Management Division. The fourth, the Logistic Management Division. The last is the Logistic Division, and likewise the HSS shall maintain the core operating division to the perform and maintain the function. Headquarters report. Account Management and Services Unit shall provide technical and housekeeping service inside the account programming and imitate security and support shall maintain the security and camp grounded, provide the firefighting equipment, render lab, ceremonial honors, and provide escorts responsibly, providing the fund and comfort service during PNP parades and ceremonies, program and other social activities. Especially shall implement and approve.
Next class.
Wait lang ba?
For the retention programs and activities maintain the legality. Constitutional Center shall provide security and necessary support service to detainees while under investigation and under the prior person and operate or under the conduct research and studies from the improvement of financial service of the PNP housing and economic Quezon City.
Service, PNP Engineering Service has maintained to manage real estate and protect properties of the PNP plans design, administers, and supervise construction, ground development of the PNP buildings, structures, and facilities of the PP monitors and evaluates of all construction and major engineering, maintenance, and repairs of PNP buildings, structures, and facilities of the PNP mission. The engineering service consists of four divisions, namely the one is the Administrative Resources Management Division. Last Utilization Division, Tertiary Division, and Structure Division. Structure Division, the PNP is headed by the director with the prescribed rank of Police Brigadier General. Now, 2019 resulted to the activation of 17 regional engineering units which shall have the following: serve as administrator of the PNP structures and real estate properties in the region. Assist director in performing his duties and responsibilities of as building official the headquarters base and PNP office and employed by conducting regular inspection and evaluation of structural integrity of all buildings and facilities of the PNP within the region. Which are RTU ES Grant B composed of 3 section units. Infrastructure section, real estate property section, and certain section. But RTU shall be headed by a police commission officer with the prescribed rank of police colonel. Training service. The PNP training service with the official acronym PNPTS shall serve as the in-service training management facility of the PNP to enhance and accelerate the professionalism of PNP personnel. Conduct courses on sports and skill development of PNP personnel. Conduct training on values and leadership. Bring towards the development and acquisition of proper attitudes and behavior by PNP personnel. Pursuant to Tacomong Resolution 92-4 and RA 6730-13. Training service. The training service shall have 4 main units named School for Values and Leadership, School for Specialized Course, School for Sports and Skill Development, and School for Field Training and Technical Service, all special training units established in the police regional officers. Office shall be placed under the operational control and supervision of the service.
National Police Support Unit, Philippine National Police Academy, PNPA. The Philippine National Police Academy was absorbed by the PNP as a national administrative support unit and shall serve as the premier institution for police education and the primary source of commissionship of police lieutenant person to the provisions of Republic Act number 11279. The specific authority delegated to the directorial staff, the Directorate for Human Resource and Conflict Development shall have supervisory authority over the PNPA. Philippine National Police also command group of the PNPA shall be composed of the following: the Director with the rank of Police Major General PMGEN, the Deputy Director with the rank of Police Brigadier General PBGEN, and the Chief of Staff with the rank of Police Brigadier General PBGEN, who shall direct, supervise the different support staff and units of academy. The PNPA shall maintain the following support staff to perform administrative, operational, and function relative to their respective areas of interest. Personnel Management Division plans, coordinates, and supervise the personnel and the administrative requirements of the PNPA. Logistics Management Division formulates and implements plans and programs for the acquisition and maintenance of equipment for the PNPA. Financial Management Division assists and advises the Director PNPA on matters pertaining to
programming, budgeting, and financial management of PNPA. Plans, program, and strategy management division assists and advises the director. PNPA in the formulation and implementation of plans and programs and in institutionalizing the PNPA international organization for standardization. The PNPA shall maintaining the following support staff to performing administrative, operational, and other functions relative to their respective areas of interest. Operations Management Division plans, recommends, manage, and evaluates the operational activities of the PNPA. Information and Communication Technology Management Division manage the website and maintain ICT platforms and programs of the PNPA. General Service Support Division provides services such as medical and dental service, transport and facility service, security and safety service upon the provision of adequate facilities that are available. Thank you.